Well, everybody, you're about to watch something that's been in the works now for about a year and a half. Finally filling up my chest freezer that you've heard me talk so much about, and my fridge. Oh, look at that glorious light. 38 degrees, ready for a bunch of Costco food. Let's see what the batteries are doing. Right now, bringing in 0 watts. Batteries are at 99% at 13.3 volts. Oh, that's a beautiful sight. The load right now is 6 watts, 5 watts. Man, that's amazing. So, you're about to see me be giddy and be a little ridiculous walking through Costco with a camera. It may be a little cheesy, but I hope the one thing you get from this channel, everything I do on here, is if you work hard enough at something, if you just keep going and going and going, what you've been working towards will pay off eventually. It's those that give up that end up resenting life, resenting other people. I've just been blessed with amazing friends, amazing family. You know, where I'm at now, a lot more of it has to do with people that agreed to help me, people that I've met along the way. So excited.
Yeah, I'm wandering through a world that ain't hers, that ain't hers. Well, I'm living through a heart I don't know, that I don't know. And I'm singing through a soul that I don't know, that I don't know. But honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Yeah, honey, I'm just a ghost in this town. Honey, I'm just a ghost in this town.
And 2674. There's that.
$900. That brings up the monthly average.
And I'm running through a forest and it's on fire, it's on fire.
This is the haul. Sorry, the GoPro's plugged in right now. Let's see if I have the battery to last. This is the haul. So much stuff. So excited. Okay, trip was a success. Show you the fridge. Still need to fill up a bit more, but fridge is fairly full. Chest freezer. I think a lot of you actually haven't seen the chest freezer set up, but it's held in by these dowel pins. One right there as well. So you might notice a lot of this bitchin' sauce. It is honestly one of the best things ever. Whenever I'm eating keto, typically I eat 2 meals a day. Bitchin' sauce is on pretty much every single meal. Very excited they had this here. They never have the Chipotle, so I went ahead and bought a bunch of it. You can freeze it, so hopefully that'll be the bitchin' sauce that I have for the next 6 months or so. But chest freezer is starting to get full as well. Lots of meats. And over here, got some chicken breast, some what's it called? Turkey burgers. Forgot to get hamburger meat. gonna do a run to Walmart, get some more of that. And right there is some bacon. That was a gift from Bricks of Happiness. They didn't have enough room for it. So I'm getting ready to head to Bass Pro. That's where I'll be parked tonight. I'm sleepy. It's been a big day. Catch y'all tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. So we are at Bass Pro right now. I actually stopped by Walmart as well, but I was getting very sleepy and just decided to head in and grab some stuff real quick. I still actually got to run by Walmart. I should have known I was going to be so stinking tired that I'd forget stuff, and I did. But basically picked up some hamburger meat, some eggs, some heavy cream, some butter. Basically just going with this keto situation. Speaking of situation, right now I'm trying to figure out my way out of this Cabela's parking lot. I ended up sleeping in a little bit today till about 7, and I need to get out of here before it gets too busy. Walmart's actually across the way and they have a larger parking lot, so I'm probably gonna go there. Right now I'm just trying to navigate my way out of here, and I don't know why. I think it's a good idea to talk while I do this, so I'm gonna shut up and make sure I don't run into anything. Oh, I just missed that curb. Now I gotta miss this tree. It's a little dose of stress this morning. Okay, glad I got that figured out. So yeah, this is the Bass Pro. This is actually the Bass Pro I always went to when I lived here in Arizona. Spent a lot of money at this Bass Pro over the years. Pretty cool spot. Got one more corner I need to navigate. Just barely made it. So I have a tiny home I am going to be filming at 10:30 today. So we got a couple hours. Gonna start organize some stuff in here, get everything cleaned up, go film the tiny home, then head over to Tony's, and then I think the boondocking trip will happen soon after that, because then I'll go get some fuel. And I believe that's everything. Got the water. I'm gonna get some extra food right now at Walmart. Just basically put everything up and make a list of everything that I still need to get. And I think that'll be it. We'll be off the grid. These Arizonans must be proud of their trees for some reason. I don't ever remember trees being this low here. Well, I am heading over to the tiny home I'll be filming today. Just got some cleaning done, unpacked the rest of the food. I am excited to get there, get the filming done, then head over to Tony's. I'm gonna be really concentrating hard on getting a lot more content for tiny home tours. It's a project I need to spend more time on. It's just easy to, get comfortable with the place where it's at. Always need to be pushing, striving forward. Catch y'all there.
Woke up with a black eye today. When they ask me why, I've got nothing to say. And I've been seeing in black and white. Having trouble telling wrong from right. Hit the bottle up and put the bottle down. Now I'm riding on a merry-go-round. I'm gonna get home in no time. In the meanwhile, I'm around.
Well, just filmed another tiny home. Awesome couple. I'll link their social down below. Family of 5. A mobile salon in their schoolie. Never seen anything like it. I mean, that's a really good example of people using their skills and, you know, the open mindset to make money on the road. Catch y'all at AAA Bus.
All the ones I had before, see, had changed. Fast in the ropes I have, give way. The screws get so loose that my mind it starts to shake. And it shakes and it shakes. Up from the couch and down to the store. Now I'm spinning on the kitchen floor. I'm gonna get home in no time. In the meanwhile, I'm around.